Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Government orders closure of all mines in state, issues notification, 6 government officials suspended. CM says documents of all mines to be scrutinized. Congress reacts on Shah Commission's report. Pratap Singh Rane says BJP government failed to act on illegal mining. Says his decision on mining as CM was quasi-judicial. Lakshmikant Parsekar claims 3 lakh BJP membership in state, assures cancer treatment unit and cath lab in GMC by December 2013. Says Parrikar should not quit politics. ACB detained sanitary officer of Kolwale PHC Pednekar allegedly caught red-handed while accepting bribe. Investigation on. Goa Pro League set for much delayed kick-off. Goa Football Association may face a test in scheduling Pro League I-League venues. And Don Bosco College of Engineering sent defending varsity football champions Chowgule College packing in the quarterfinals. St. Xavier's Father Agnel Pilar and Dempe College proceed to the semi-finals. And now the news in detail. Government has issued notification for closure of all mines in Goa. Government issued notification late evening on Monday. All mine owners have been asked to submit legal documents regarding the license and clearances. Government has also suspended 6 officers from the mines department. It includes 3 assistant geologists and 3 UDCs. Earlier in the evening, NGOs had threatened to get officials of Goa State Pollution Control Board on Tuesday.
All mines have been closed. So you go to website, you will find order.
एक्झॅक्टली काय कारण होतं असं की कशा
शहा कमिशनच्या रिपोर्टमुळे आम्ही प्रत्येक माइनचे डॉक्युमेंट चेक करूनच त्यांना चालू करायला लागलो.
आता या क्षणातरी सगळ्या माइन
उद्यापासून डू यू पुट स्टेट फर्स्ट और economical effect first, but I can override that effect. I am not saying that I am going to permanently close them. They have been closed until they come out with all the documents. So once they come out with documents, and if the documents are in order, papers are in order, they will be permitted to start again. Maybe in the first, second, third week of October.
गोयात जे खाण व्यवसाय करता तो बेकायदेशीर असा आणि बेकायदेशीर खाण व्यवसाय असल्या कारणान जो खाण व्यवसाय बंद जावप काळाची गरज असते. लोक जे खाण व्यवसायाचेर अवलंबून आसा त्यांचे पुनर्वसन करपा खातीर सरकारान जे 35,000 कोटीचो जो घोटाळो जाला ती वसुली करपाचे जे ह्या आयोगान आदेश दिल्ले आसा त्या नुसार सरकारान त्यांच्या त्या जे संबंधीत व्यक्ती कडल्यान वसुली करपाची आणि वसुली करून पैसे माहिती तो पुनर्वसना खातीर वापरपाचो. तेची अंतर्गत भाषा म्हाका हळूहळू जसो आता मोटरसायकलीचेर आसा तितर अशी प्रोविजन दवरला की जे ट्रेडिंग आसा ते भायर व्हरपाचें जे आसा ना जी खणलेली आसा ना ओर ती काडपाक आनी ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन करपा खातीर परवानगी आसा.
ओके.
फक्त मायन खडपा खातीर तुमकां परवानगी ना.
ओके.
मागीर त्याचो फायदो कितें आसा ऑर्डर काडपाचो. मायन जर बंदूच आसा आनी जर बाकीचे जे एक्टिविटी चालू आसा जायत
ओके.
क्रिमिनल जे आसात जेंचेर आता अनेक बेकायदेशीर गोष्टी केल्या बद्दलचे ठपके आसात
ओके.
तांकां एका बाजून खुलेआम ट्रेडिंग करपा खातीर दिवप म्हणजे चोरांक मोकळे सोडप. त्याच्यामुळे ही ऑर्डर जी आसा ती ऑर्डर शहा कमिशनान जे कितें आज लोकांच्या समोर हाडलेलो आसा गोंयच्या मायनिंगचो एक खरो चेहरो त्या दृश्टीन फुडले पाऊल न्हू.
ओके.
तर लोकांक थोडेशे भ्रमित करपा खातीर
ओके
आम्ही ऍक्शन घेतली पण भितरसून ट्रेडिंग चालू.
ओके.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट मीडिया.
Congress has formally reacted to Shah Commission's report after almost 72 hours. Reacting on the Shah Commission's report, leader of opposition Pratap Singh Rani said that BJP's government has failed to take action against the illegal mining in the past. He claims that his decision on mining as CM was quasi-judicial and can't be accused for it. Congress MLAs held meeting on Monday to discuss Shah Commission's report.
Now they said we are filing FIR against me and my colleague and so forth. Whatever actions we have taken is, quasi-judicial action. It is can be appealed against if there is anything. If anybody is aggrieved, you have to go in and appeal. Now my argument is, when everybody is involved, you cannot say that I am innocent and take action against this fellow and that fellow, when someone else has failed to take action in the earlier tenure. So, as the Commission's report has recommended an independent body, Supreme Court monitored task force should be constituted by the centre to act on the recommendations of the Commission. This is what I ask. You cannot sue motu take, because if there is something against me, I cannot be the judge. So please read the report. In the report, these things are given. I am not mentioning any names, but this is not fair to mention names to make political capital. What I am saying is, certain fingers are pointing at them when they are pointing fingers at us. In this Shah Commission report, certain fingers are pointing at them.
Who is that them?
Them means the previous government.
Who is previous government?
Government before 2005.
That is the BJP.
Of course, couldn't be anything else.
No?
Yes, but I don't want to
No, but you see,
malign people.
BJP State President Lakshmikant Parsekar claims that out of around 10 lakh voters in the state, 3 lakhs are BJP members. That means one BJP member in every 3 cones. Health Minister Parsekar says that GMC will have cancer treatment unit and cath lab by December 2013. Parsekar said that Manohar Parrikar should not quit politics, but even if he quits, it will not have any impact on BJP. He was speaking in a weekly program Head On.
फुडली 1 वर्षा भितर आम्ही जीएमसी किती एक्सपेक्ट करू
ह्या येणाऱ्या डिसेंबर पर्यंत हांव 1 वर्षय म्हणना आम्ही सप्टेंबरांत आसान ऑक्टोबर नोव्हेंबर डिसेंबर पर्यंत म्हाका खरं टाइम पिरियड लादून घेता हांव येणाऱ्या डिसेंबर पर्यंत आमचे स्वप्न आसा की हांगा फुल फ्लेज कॅथ लॅब आणि कार्डियॅक सुपर स्पेशालिटी जातली हय म्हणजे हांगा एंजिओप्लास्टी
कॅन्सराच्या बाबतीत कितें
कॅन्सरा बाबतीत आणि 1 वर्ष आमकां दियात पण कॅन्सराच्या बाबतीनूय कारण कॅन्सर आता खूप कॉमन जाल्लो आसा आणि गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीत कॅन्सराची खातीरय सुपर स्पेशालिटी आसूंक जाय आणि त्यामुळे डिसेंबर 2012 पर्यंत कॅथ लॅब आणि कार्डियॅक आणि डिसेंबर 2013 पर्यंत कॅन्सर सुपर स्पेशालिटी ही गोवा मेडिकलांत जावंक जाय हाडटलेच.
पक्षाची मेंबरशिप ड्राईव्ह कशी झाली? पक्षाची कितली झाले मेंबर सध्या?
3,02,000 आणि अशे पयरची गोष्ट.
20% गोंयकार भाजपाचे मेंबर आहा सध्या.
मतदार म्हणून जर म्हटले जाल्यार आमचे मतदार 10 लाख आसात आणि 3,02,000 जेन्ना जातात
ते सगळे मतदार
म्हणजे आम्ही साधारणपणे 31 ते 32%
मतदारांक
पक्षाचे सदस्य केले. ह्या देशात भारतीय जनता पक्षाची सुद्धा जंय राज्यां आसात थंय येदी टक्केवारीर पावूंक ना. म्हाका गोंयच्या हिताच्या दृश्टीन पक्ष हिताच्या दृश्टीन म्हाका दिसता ताणें 5 वर्सां
कंटिन्यू करपाक जाय परत कॉन्टेस्ट करपाक जाय आणि ना जाल्यार पक्षाक कितलो फटको बसतलो.
हे पळय कोणाक लागून काय अडटा अशांतली काय गोष्ट ना.
मनोहर पर्रीकारान रिटायर जावचें न्ही पूण जालो जाल्यार कोणाचेच कोणा खातीर अडना सारकें.
हांगा कोणाक लागून केन्ना कितें उरलां
बरोबर
उरत ना न्ही.
बरोबर.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडेंट मीडिया.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.